I have the Browridge like this. The Browridge could also be a little bit, I mean, the Browridge is not just a line, is a thick area. See, that's a very thick area here, right? So I might fiddle with that and widen up this keystone in the middle of the forehead here, widen it up here, widen it up in here, and find now the upper margin of the orbit, try the upper margin of the orbit here, right? Here, by adding a little bit of volume here, like this. And I want the orbits to be angled like the Ray-Ban glasses, which follow exactly, the Ray-Ban glasses follow exactly the profile, the lens follow exactly the profile of the orbit, right? That's why they are shaped like that. So now here is the that maxillary. So there's a little bit of delay, right? The frontal maxillary eminence here, right? And then now the lower corner of the orbit that is going to go now diagonally up like this. And then from here it goes down straight like that, right? So you see what I'm talking about, the Ray-Ban glasses lens, right? So I repeat the same thing on the other side, leaving some space here because we need to leave some space in here because here we would have